Right after we purchased our new motorhome, we noticed the water was pooling towards the back of the shower, away from the drain. The dealership said they fixed it, but it still wasn't right. The floor was also very spongy. We've had motorhomes since 2004, and the floor in all of those was firm. Then we noticed some fine hairline cracks. The cracks were easy to fix. Weld makes a product called Waterweld, specifically for plastics and PVC. It's an epoxy, just knead the two parts together and work into the crack. Remove any residue. It sets up in 25 minutes and dries to an off-white. It blends in rather well. With the access cover removed from the base of the shower, I could see the issue. The shower pan sits on a foam pad with a wooden platform underneath. However, there was a 1-inch gap under the shower pan and under the legs of the platform. Nothing was being supported. I cut different thicknesses of wooden shims and stacked them under each leg until the gaps were gone. I then applied glue between all the pieces, making the repair permanent. It's been a year since the work was done. The shower drains properly, and there's no flexing of the shower pan even when moving around. It's an easy fix, but should have never left the factory like this, and worse yet, the dealership didn't do a great job on the repair. I posted links to the products used in the description.